Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to continue our last chapter. So let's start. So next heading is using onion skin tool. Onion skin tool is common tool in many animation software. It shows a slightly transparent image of the previous frame and the upcoming frames. The number of frames it shows it up to you. This is useful feature as it shows how much you are changing between frames. You can also see where to place the image for the frame. Next is creating an animation by using onion skin tool. How? Open a new file, draw a cat like here, cat is given, shown in the figure. Click on the onion skin tool under the timeline. Under the timeline you will find onion skin tool. Select the insert keyframe option from the context menu by right click on frame 2. Simply you have to right click on the frame 2, then choose insert keyframe. Yes, click on the selection tool and then double click on the cat to select it. Move the cat little and then click anywhere else on the stage to deselect it. If you want to deselect, simply you can click anywhere on the stage. Move the cat a little and then click anywhere else on the stage to deselect it. Now you can see using onion skin tool and the position of the cat in the previous keyframe is visible as a faint ghost image. Next is adding sound. Along with other objects and symbols, Flash also stores sound in the library. Like other applications also add the sounds in library. Like other applications, Flash also add these sounds. How you will add the sound? Import a sound file means to bring the sound file from the computer storage in the Flash program. Click on the file tab, then select the import option, then click on import to library. The import to library dialog box will appear on the screen. Find the selected desired audio clip from the library, click on the open button in the dialog box, then import the audio. You have to choose any sound here from here, then click on open button. The sound will be inserted. Next is including sound in the movie. Once we have imported the audio to the library, we can drag the sound file from the library to the stage and use it on the video clip. You can open the library using the keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl L, and then follow this step. Open the library. Hence we have the imported sound file. Now create a new layer on the movie. Click on the new layer button from the layer panel to create a new layer and give it a suitable name related to sound. Select the new sound layer. Now drag the sound file from the library onto the stage area. The audio will be added to the video. Now removing sound from the movie. How you will remove the sound? Simply select the sound layer. On the property inspector from the sound drop down menu, click on none. This will be disabled for the soundtrack from the movie. Now how to stop the sound? Select the keyframe containing the sound file in which frame sound is given. So firstly you have to select that keyframe, then go to the property inspector and from the sound drop down list select stop option there. In this way the sound will be still be attached to the symbol but will not play in the video. Now how to publish the Flash movie? The publish option will release the animation in a suitable format to be used on the web. Click on the option will create a .swf format file, Flash file and an HTML document which carries the Flash player file. We finish preparing a movie for the file is stored in .fla, which is default Flash format. We need to publish the file to another format when we were ready to present our movie to an audience. Flash.swf, this is the final internet version of the Flash movie. You file in .swf shockwave flash. SWF full form is shockwave flash. Format is extended from the .fla file and will not replace the original file. HTML, the HTML page carries the flash file. The document is in the some folder along with the .swf file. Windows projector .xexe. The .exe file is a projector file that does not need a browser or plug in into run. This format is very useful for designing presentations. Next, step to publish a Flash movie. How you will publish your Flash movie? So simply click on File tab, then select the Publish Setting option. Click on the tick box next to the format in which you want to publish the movie. Click on the Publish option. In the Publish Setting dialog box, the movie will published. Here your chapter is completed. Have a good day.